So welcome back, dear students. We are with the SQL and the select command with our database school and the tables student, academic and fees. Dear students, we are going to discuss a very important topic today. That is where clause, selecting specific rows. अभी तक हमने जितनी भी कमांड्स पढ़ी, सेलेक्ट के जितने भी ऑप्शंस पढ़े, इन ईच एंड एवरी ऑप्शन ऑल द वैल्यूज फ्रॉम द टेबल्स या किसी पर्टिकुलर कॉलम से वो सारी वैल्यूज एग्जीक्यूट हो रही थी. If I used asterisk, then whole table. If I used any column name, then only those column names, column values means उस पर्टिकुलर कॉलम की जितनी भी वैल्यूज थी उस टेबल में, that every value will be shown there. सिर्फ एक सिचुएशन ऐसी आई when I used if null function in which I used to display the records of cities which are not having values. Means जहां पर मैंने टेबल के सारे कंटेंट्स को यूज नहीं किया, एग्जीक्यूट नहीं किया, I executed only those areas which were not having the city value. How? When I used if. When I used the function. जब फंक्शन में मैंने एक कंडीशन प्लेस की, एक कंडीशनल फंक्शन यूज किया, then I was capable to reduce the extraction from the table. तो रिकॉर्ड्स को जो मैं एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहा था, उसके लिए I was capable to execute, to extract the limited records, the required records. Using specific rows when I am telling about, it means for if I am using asterisk also, suppose, and my requirement is not to display all the table. मैं ये नहीं चाहता कि सारे रिकॉर्ड डिस्प्ले हो, बट एस्ट्रिक्स में मैं ये चाहता हूं कि वॉट एवर द रिकॉर्ड्स आई वांट दैट फुल रिकॉर्ड टू बी डिस्प्लेड. उस पर्टिकुलर रोल नंबर 3 का पूरा रिकॉर्ड डिस्प्ले हो. आई वांट कि रोल नंबर 3 to 10 सारे रिकॉर्ड डिस्प्ले हो. आई वांट कि उन सारे स्टूडेंट्स का रिकॉर्ड डिस्प्ले हो जिनका सिटी पीलीभीत है. मींस एनी ऑफ द कंडीशन. मैं अपने रिकॉर्ड्स को प्रिंट करना चाहता हूं, मैं क्वेरीज क्रिएट करना चाहता हूं, बट द क्वेरीज आर हैविंग द कंडीशंस, द रेस्ट्रिक्शंस. So to make the restrictions, to create the restrictions, we use where clause. Where clause is always used to create the condition with the query statement. Means select statement के साथ we can specify the criteria for the selection. Means selection तो we have done through select command, but what should be the criteria to select? So this criteria can be created by using this where clause. So where clause is important thing. ठीक है, we have to learn it properly or seriously. It is not difficult. But to make condition in programming language also, you used operators. आप relational operators और logical operators use करते थे to make the conditions. The same here we use relational operators and logical operators. No condition can be made without using operator, without using any of the relational operator. तो conditions create करने के लिए, हमें criteria create करने के लिए, we have to use the relational operators. For example, select asterisk from student where city equals to Pili. Look at it. Asterisk I used. Asterisk means all, sorry records. But here is a criteria of selection is placed. The criteria of selection is city must be Pili. Suppose 4 or 5 cities are there. Pili is there, and suppose Bareilly is there, and Delhi is there. So what I want? I want the records of those students whose city is Pili. मुझे क्या करना है? मुझे सारा रिकॉर्ड चाहिए उन स्टूडेंट का, कंप्लीट रिकॉर्ड चाहिए टेबल में से, बट सिटी मस्ट बी पीलीभीत. तो सेलेक्ट एस्टेरिस्क फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट वेयर city equals to Pili. The equals to is the relational operator. I told you without using relational operator we cannot make the criteria, we cannot make the query, we cannot make the conditions. Many other conditions we can make. City equals to Delhi, fees less than this, greater than this. ठीक है ना? Using relational operators, we can use all these relational operators. Equal to, less than, greater than, less equals to, greater equal to, and this one is not equal to. It is different from Python programming language. Not equal to. ठीक है ना? तो select suppose asterisk from student where roll number not equals to 3. Roll number not equal to 3. What does it mean? It means except the roll number 3, all the records will be shown. कि मैंने roll number 3 का record display नहीं करना है, rest all the records will be shown. Right? We can use relational operators. We can use की fees greater than 15,000 and fees less than 20,000. Logical operator भी use हो गया. We will discuss this logical operator in this video only later. So we can use relational operators. Where clause is used to create the criteria, and to create the criteria we use either relational or logical operators. And now logical operators. Select asterisk from student where roll number equals to 1 and city equals to PDB. Yeah, I said roll number greater than 5 and city equals to PDB. This bracket is not compulsory to be placed. Select asterisk from student where roll number greater than 5 means roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These records will not be displayed. Doesn't matter city is PDB or not. ठीक है ना? Because AND operator is being placed. AND means both the conditions to be true. So roll number must be greater than 5 and then city must be PDB. Suppose roll number 6 to 10, अगर 10 records है टेबल में 6 to 10 2 records are there having with city PDB, तो वो 2 records show होंगे, है ना? If roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these all 5 records contains the city PDB, then also they will not be shown because this condition will be false. Second, we can write select asterisk from student where, अब इस एंड की जगह सपोज मैं यहीं पर इसी कंडीशन में और कर देता हूं. If I placed or, तो either the roll number greater than 5 or city equals to PDB. अब क्या होगा? रोल नंबर ग्रेटर देन 5 अगर है तो डजंट मैटर सिटी पीलीभीत हो या ना हो, या सिटी अगर पीलीभीत है तो डजंट मैटर रोल नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन 5 और नॉट. Suppose roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 records, out of these 5 records, 3 roll numbers contains city Pilibhit. ठीक? तो these 3 records will be shown क्योंकि city Pilibhit is true. And in next 5 to 10, 6 to 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 cities are Pilibhit. Doesn't matter 2 cities, all 5 records will be shown because this condition is true. So either or situation is true. So either this or this, the records will be shown. Even where third one I write not roll greater than 5. रोल नंबर ग्रेटर देन 5 नहीं होना चाहिए, right? Means roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 records will be shown to you. not operator is being placed. So and we can place, or we can place, not we can place. As we discussed in Boolean algebra earlier in class 11th or in Python also. And or both needs two operators to work upon, not need a single operand. Right? So here, when and was placed, both the conditions to be true, or placed, either or conditions to be true, and not, so whatever the situation is written is false. Roll number greater than 5, it is true according to the situation, according to the condition, but not roll number greater than 5. The records will be shown which are not having the roll number greater than 5. So where clause is used to create the criteria to make the queries. The queries we are making to display the limited record, required record, specified record, criteria based record, whatever I want, whatever I need, that record. So to make those queries with the condition, with the criteria, we use where clause. It is very important. Keep remember, revise it, practice it. Okay, the chapters, the tables are there in your book. You can solve them, you can make the queries, you can practice them from the very starting up to here the where clause. Rest, conditions, creation of conditions with different other patterns we will discuss in next video.